Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today there's an update for this my TV which I post on YouTube before. Samsung 55 curve smart TV UA55K6300AKXXM. Okay, and this is the current update on October 2012. So we just go to home, setting, support, software update. Current version is 1250 and new version is 1260. So let's update. The update took very short time. It's already 1260. That's it from me. If you have the same TV also, so enjoy the TV much like I did. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.